Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nahima and I make cooking videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a typical West African dish called okra sauce. Everyone make it differently depending on the country and the culture. But I'm going to make it the way they make it in my country, but with slight modifications. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need fresh okra, spinach, tomatoes, onion, garlic, beef with bones for the taste. You're also going to need black pepper, salt, pound sumbala. This is a typical spice which comes from West Africa and has a strong smell. I'm going to insert a picture of how sumbala looks when it is not pound. Next, you're going to need shrimp powder. This is basically dried shrimp that I pound with a mortar. And last but not least, you're going to need steak spice that I bought in store. So first thing first, I'm going to dice my okra. There are different ways to cut okra, and this is the most popular way to cut it, but it takes so much time to do this way. So I'm going to show you right now another way to cut it. Yes guys, I'm going to use a food processor to blend my okra. I already cut the edges and I'm going to add my okra in the food processor. Before you put your okra in the food processor, you're going to cut in big pieces. And add a little bit of water and mix everything together for like 30 seconds to crush it well. For those who don't know, the okra is a sticky vegetable. So when I'm done blending my okra, I'm going to reserve that for later in a bowl. And now I'm going to blend my tomatoes, onion and garlic together. I'm going to cut them in big pieces to blend. Okra is naturally rich in fiber. This vegetable manages to prevent cholestérol. The antioxidants present in okra help to fight tissue aging, helping to maintain health for as long as possible. Consuming okra on a regular basis also helps maintain good kidney health. So after cutting in big pieces my ingredients, I'm going to add in the food processor and mix everything together for like 30 seconds. Now I'm going to start to make my okra sauce now that all my ingredients are ready. So in an empty pan on high heat, I'm going to add my beef And I'm going to cover my beef with water and let it cook for 15 minutes. As you can see, I didn't add any oil in my pan, and I'm not gonna use oil to make my okra sauce. But usually people use oil to make the original okra sauce, but me, I'm not going to use any oil. After 15 minutes, I'm going to add salt, black pepper, and you can probably see oil on the surface, but guess what? I didn't add any oil, guys. The oil that you see in the pan is coming from the beef, like it's the fat. I'm also going to add my blended tomatoes, onion and garlic into my pan with a little bit of water and mix everything together and cover my pan and let it cook on medium heat for 30 minutes. Back after 30 minutes, you can see that the sauce is well cooked because the oil is on the surface. And one more time, guys, I didn't add any oil. The oil that you see come from the beef. Now I'm going to add my sumbala, 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to add the rest later. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of shrimp powder and stir my pan. After, I'm going to add a small quantity of water and add my okra in my pan and mix everything together and cover my pan and let it cook for 20 minutes on low heat. After 20 minutes, I'm going to add my spinach and mix. And I'm going to add the rest of my sumbala. And another tablespoon of shrimp powder and mix again. And finally, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of stick spice and mix. And also, guys, I forgot to tell you that the spinach are facultative, because in the original recipe we don't add spinach. But me, I like to add spinach because I feel like it tastes better. After stirring my sauce, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir again and let it cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the okra sauce is ready and I'm going to serve my sauce. You can eat the okra sauce with rice or tout, but me personally, I prefer to eat my okra sauce with tout. For those who don't know, tout is a very common dish in Mali, Guinea, Ivory Coast, as well as in Burkina Faso, my country, where it is the national dish. It is made from corn or millet flour with water and it is served in a form of a paste and eaten with sauce like okra sauce. In another video, I'm going to show you how to make tout. Now I'm going to serve my okra sauce with my tout. As I told you, okra sauce is a very sticky sauce and me growing up, I really didn't like this dish, but now I really like it and I can eat it once a week. And that is basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification. Also make sure to follow my social media, especially my Instagram food page that I created recently. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!